Hi, BJ with Inspect and Check. A safety thing that I see a lot, which is very easy for you to do at home, is carbon monoxide detectors and smoke detectors. So we want a smoke and carbon monoxide detector on every floor in the hallway and at least within 15 feet of every bedroom. Okay, so if you have bedrooms, like in this case, we've got bedrooms on the upper floor, and then if you have another bedroom on the first floor, like a lot of times, we have these ranch with a bonus room on the second floor, and then master bedroom is downstairs or on the first floor, is we want a combination, a smoke and carbon monoxide detector all in one. Okay, so one of those on each floor, and then one within at least 15 feet of every bedroom. And then in each bedroom, we want a smoke detector. Okay, so now if your house is a situation like this where that doesn't have the hardwired smoke detectors already in place where you can swap them out, this house has none, as you can just easily get the battery operated detectors and just put a smoke detector. We like to see it close to the door here so that this way, should there be any fire or smoke, it's alarm, the alarm is right near the door on the ceiling, so that this way it goes off right away as that smoke and fire approach the bedroom. Easy safety thing, I see it all the time. I would have to say 9 out of 10 houses that I inspect never have smoke detectors, or if they do, they're old. Just play it safe. After you move in, change them all out. This way they're all new. They typically last about 10 years. They do make they're made out of a special resin so that as they age, they discolor, they turn, from white to like yellow. So that's usually an indicator that they're getting old and need to be replaced. Hi, BJ Posnecki with Inspect and Check. If you need a home inspection or home consulting services here in the Chicagoland area, please give me a call at 773-403-3298. Be sure to subscribe and share this video with other people that might find it helpful. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.